It has been suggested by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration (FDA) that some manufacturers of metformin extended release remove some of their pills from the American marketplace in May 2020. These pills were recalled due to an unacceptable amount of a suspected carcinogen, cancer-causing substance, detected in them. An Austin doctor, Dr. Marlene Merritt, who suffered from high blood sugar, made an announcement recently that sent shockwaves through the medical profession. Dr. Merritt was well aware that widely given diabetic medications like metformin had a variety of unpleasant side effects, and she was determined to find a natural, drug-free treatment that might really eradicate the illness, not simply manage its symptoms. In the course of months of study, Dr. Merritt created a basic diet and exercise routine that had a high success rate in treating and even curing type 2 diabetes. Many medical publications took a long time to publish her findings even though the regimen was clearly successful. Some have argued that it was because of her close financial links with the pharmaceutical business. It was in response to this that she stunned the medical establishment when she teamed up with independent health publisher Primal Health to make her diabetes reversing routine available online to the general public in the form of a video. This video has gone viral and has been met with many different reactions. Viewers praised the regimen's simplicity and non-restrictiveness. Drug-free therapy is a controversial topic among pharmaceutical industry professionals, but many doctors who have yearned for a natural drug-free treatment to share with their diabetes patients have embraced it with open arms. Dr. Merritt warns her viewers to use common sense and only stop taking their medicine with their doctor's consent. Watch this video now. You will find the link below in the description.